The flu is one of a number of viruses spreading across communities as winter tightens its grip on the Carolinas. Tonight, health experts say it's important to know the signs of these sicknesses so you can get the treatment you need as soon as possible.
WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre joins us live in Fort Mill with more from health experts and what folks can do to stay healthy. Jesse?
Yes, well, the winter months do bring a notable increase in viral infections, from stomach bugs to respiratory infections like RSV, COVID, and flu, and folks are having a challenging season.
It's a perfect storm of viruses here in North and South Carolina, and hospitals are feeling the pressure.
Anything you can do to take precautions to avoid the healthcare system at all during this time of the year is in your best interest.
From respiratory infections,
influenza, RSV, and coronavirus, we're also seeing increased inpatient waves of this as well, especially throughout the southeastern part of the country.
to gastrointestinal illnesses like norovirus.
If you've ever had like a 24-hour stomach bug, this is probably what it was. It's more common in the winter months, usually between November and April, and causes hundreds of millions of illnesses every year.
Dr. Patrick Ryan with Piedmont Medical Center says the highly contagious norovirus causes vomiting and diarrhea, and is spread through direct contact.
The CDC actually reported that we're seeing more than a threefold increase in norovirus infections this year compared to recent years, especially in the Carolinas.
Dr. Ryan says most people recover after a few days of resting at home. However, some people are more at risk than others, like young children, the elderly, and those with underlying health issues.
Most people can fight this infection off on their own and don't need to seek medical care. However, generally when people start showing signs of dehydration, that's when they need to be evaluated by a provider.
So how do you protect yourself? Well, stay away from sick people, wash your hands often, and disinfect areas before using them, especially common spaces or areas where other people are using that space as well. And if you are the one who is sick, please do everyone a favor and stay home. Live in Fort Mill, Jesse